I get a lot of questions on knowing how many socket rails or anvils or beauty caps you're going to need when you order the modular socket rail system that I have developed. And if you are unfamiliar with that, if you have a socket drawer that looks like this, this, or this, and you want it to look more like this or like this, you're definitely going to want to stick around and watch. Essentially, the way the system works is you have a couple different size rails and then beauty caps to make them look pretty on both ends, and then modular anvils. The anvils clip in and then you can adjust them wherever you want on the rail. And the great thing is you can make any length rail that you want to your heart's extent. If you want to make a 2-inch rail, 9-inch rail, 12-inch rail, 30-inch rail, 100-inch rail, you can do that with this system. And it keeps it all within one rail. So you're not like just sticking a rail next to another rail. It's just one piece. The way it works is you can either choose from a 9-inch rail or a 2-inch rail. And all they do is they have a male and female end with embedded magnets in the bottom so that it will stick to your drawer. Obviously, this is not magnetic. But you just clip them together like this and go from there. But obviously, if you want to make the rail look a lot prettier, you're going to want the beauty caps. Each rail needs a set of beauty caps, so one set is a male and a female end, and this will add an extra inch to the rail. So keep that in mind when you're measuring your drawers. And you just clip that on, and that makes the entire rail. The way to calculate how many rails you need is, first, I would recommend measuring your drawer depth or width, however you want to set up your socket rail system, for how many inches you have available. That will give you a good rough guesstimate of how many inches you have, and then you need to divide that up by 9 or 2 inches or however to get to that number. So say on most US General carts it is, I believe, 19 inches from front to back of the toolbox drawer. So you would need 2 9-inch rails and then one set of beauty caps. Or on like a Snap-on Epic, you would have a 30-inch, I believe, it might be a little shallower, or 30-inch depth toolbox drawer. So you would need 3 9-inch rails and then a set of beauty caps. Once you figure that out, you're going to need to figure out how many sockets you have and how many rails you need, or how many rows of rails you'll need. And essentially the easiest way to do this is either measure all your rails that you have, or just pick them all up, stack them on a table in each set, measure them. Say a full set takes 8 inches. You're going to need to buy at least one 9-inch rail for that set of sockets. Now you can stack them up in rows next to each other, however you want to do it. And then that'll kind of give you a better guesstimate of how many rails you're going to need to fit all your sockets. Then the anvils are sold in sets of 30, so you can get the 1/2 inch, the 3/8, or the 1/4 inch. And the system, the way it works is you take this anvil and basically you can pinch it with your fingers and pop it in just like that. After a while, most likely your fingers will get tired from pinching all these in. You can grab a flathead screwdriver, anchor one side into the rail, push, and it clips in. You can also leave one of the beauty caps off and slide them in from the side, but that takes a lot of time, and if you need to stagger sizes or whatever the case may be, it's easier to just clip them in with a screwdriver. Once you do that, you're ready to go. All you do is you put your sockets on and you're set. Now if you want to move the anvils, all you do is you pinch them with your fingers and move them, or it's easier to just put the socket on the anvil and then slide them around to where you want them so that you're not wasting any space. The next cool thing about this system is you also have an option to essentially put size labels on your sockets. So the way this works is the same way that the socket or the other anvils I just put in work, except now these anvils have a hole in the top of them. And the reason they have a hole in the top is to use the toolbox widget socket size stems. So the cool thing about these socket stems is they're injection molded, which means they're not going to break. If these were 3D printed, they would snap very easy. And then on top of that, they're very cheap. And you have essentially marks on here where you can cut them with a pair of wire cutters. Simply install them into the socket anvil. You can twist these however you want to however you have your sockets orientated in your drawer, and you can twist them to position them They are nice and snug, so they're not going to come out. And then all you do is pop them out if you want, push them down, you'll hear a click, and that means that they're locked in place. The great thing about this system too is once you pop those side stems in, these are a lot less likely to move around. See, that one wasn't pushed in all the way. Now it doesn't want to move. And all you do is you take your sockets and put them on there. Now the cool thing about this, so say you're putting a shallow socket on this rail and the stem is too long, all you do is you take the stem out, you cut it to the desired length, and then pop it back in, and now you have a perfectly sized size label on your shallow socket. So that's the system in a whole. Everything is sold like in separate pieces, so you have to buy the socket rails on their own, get as many as you need. Then you're going to need the beauty caps. You only need one set per complete rail or complete row that you're making. And then also the anvils, and that's just based on how many sockets you have. And then if you do get the labeled anvils with the holes in them, then you just buy your socket size stems. And these come in metric and SAE, so you don't have any mix match on that. And then it's as easy as assembling them, slapping them in your toolbox, setting up your sockets how you want, saving a bunch of space. So hopefully this video helps. If you guys have any questions, you can email me or message me on any social media handle that I have, and I will help as best I can. All these rails are offered in all the colors that I offer, as well as the anvils. So you can also customize it to perfectly match your toolbox. Yeah, have fun shopping, and just remember that chaos is for amateurs.